Elon Musk has made many predictions of society and the role that his companies Tesla and SpaceX will play. The millionaire has very strong opinions on this subject and is not afraid to express them in interviews, conferences, and even on social networks. This time, he spoke about the impact that artificial intelligence will have on the jobs of the future and mentioned the careers that will be safe. Do you think AI will replace humans? Before we continue, if this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of the latest news about technology and the millionaire lifestyle. Elon Musk seems to have a clear opinion about AI and how it could impact our lives. The billionaire said in the recent World Conference that artificial intelligence will make jobs a little pointless. Musk has an epic saga of voicing severe concerns over the harsh potential of AI. He once tweeted that AI can be more dangerous than nukes, and told his audience AI is the biggest existential threat, and humankind needs to be very vigilant about its advancement. He stated, "With AI, we are summoning the demon." In all those stories where there's a guy with the pentagram and holy water, it's like, yeah, he's sure he can control the demon. Didn't work out. At the event, they asked him if we should be worried about it. Elon stated that the development of new technologies has always made some jobs obsolete, but it also generates new needs. The question is knowing how to adapt and create more opportunities. Although a machine can do the work that once belonged to one person, it now requires someone to control the machine, so it's probably too early to look at AI as a fully independent technology. According to Musk, people who know how to develop artificial intelligence software or program machines. However, there will come a point where AI can write its software. So what jobs are safe? The production and distribution of all sectors are probably in the hands of technology. What will be needed in this futuristic society will be human interaction. Elon Musk believes that if you're working on something that involves people or engineering, it's probably a good focus for your future. Otherwise, it's important to invest your time in learning some new skills that AI can't handle. But let's face it, if you ask, will AI take over jobs in the future to a group of people around you, you'll likely get different opinions. Some may say that, no, artificial intelligence may make our work easier, and others may say that, yes, we will surely lose our jobs. It's a debatable topic and has been a mystery for a very long time. In the last 2 years, and due to the global pandemic, a lot of things have changed in our lifestyles, businesses, and economy as a whole. Artificial intelligence is no exception and is teaching us its importance in several ways, as it is being used by different industries, such as retail, finance, healthcare, telecommunication, online shopping and e-commerce, and construction for a variety of purposes. Robots have a unique strength that humans can never beat. For example, robots can be programmed to be strong, precise, and fast, and they also lack emotions, so they will never be bored. But there are many qualities that a robot can never replace, such as humanness. Various jobs require the 5 senses of humans: sight, sound, smell, taste, and touch, to do them perfectly. For example, teaching. Imagine how it would feel to be taught by robots. Robots may give you quick, personalized, and vast information, but that humanness will still be required to connect with the students deeply. The same thing occurs in the financial industry. Many banks and financial institutions are using trading software to analyze the market and spot potential trading opportunities. However, the human touch is extremely important to evaluate macroeconomics and market sentiment. Another example is of judges and lawyers. Robots can memorize all the articles, rules, and acts, but when it comes to judgment, judges use a mix of emotions and logic when announcing the verdict. Likewise, lawyers use both emotions and facts to put their case forward in front of the judge. According to a recent World Economic Forum report, robots, automation, and artificial intelligence could replace 85 million jobs globally by 2025. However, it will also create 97 million new jobs in the future. On the other hand, looking at the negative aspects of artificial intelligence then, there have been many cases of data breaches in the past, such as when Zoom reportedly sent their data to China and their users' video calls were leaked online. And let's not forget the famous Facebook Cambridge Analytica data scandal. After carefully analyzing all the facts and figures, it is still unclear how we will ensure data security in the future. But what is clear is that while artificial intelligence will supplant many jobs, it will also create many others. And some jobs will be done by both robots and humans codependently. What do you think about AI and how the world will look in the future? Let us know in the comments section. That'll be all for today. We'll be back soon with another video about the tech and billionaire lifestyle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content.